Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Eng Teach. I hope you all are fine. There are 26 letters in English alphabet and they have their own phonics sounds. Today we are going to learn English alphabets and their sounds. I highly suggest you to teach your children English alphabets with their sounds because it will help them to read or pronounce the word easily. So I'm going to make series of phonics sounds. In this video, I'll show you that how to teach your children phonics sounds. I think it will be very useful to you. Now, let's start. Here, I have written English alphabet from A to Z and 4 words that start from each letter serially. You can also make such sets at home and give to your children to read. You can add more other words also so that they can easily learn the sounds of each letters. English alphabets and their sounds. Letter A. The sound of letter A is A. A. Apple, axe and arrow. Letter B. The sound of letter B is B. B. Ball, bag, bat, bait. Letter C. The sound of letter C is K. K. Cap, cat, cup, car. Letter D. The sound of letter D is D. D. Dog, den, door, dot. The sound of letter E is A. A. Eyes, ear, egg, elephant. Letter F. The sound of letter F is F. F. Fan, fox, fish, face. Letter G. The sound of letter G is G. G. Gun, girl, glass, goat. Letter H. The sound of letter H is H. H. Hat, hen, hand, house. Letter I. The sound of letter I is E. E. Inkpot, insect, infant, igloo. Letter J. The sound of letter J is J. J. Jog, jar, jam, juice. Letter K. The sound of letter K is K. K. Key, king, kite, kitchen. Letter L. The sound of letter L is L. L. Leg, log, lion, leaf. Letter M. The sound of letter M is M. M. Mug, mat, man, milk. Letter N. The sound of letter N is N. N. Knave, knot, knell, nest. Letter O. The sound of letter O is O. O. Orange, onion, ox, owl. Letter P. The sound of letter P is P. P. Bird, pig, pain, parrot. The letter Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. Q. Queen, quill, quilt, Q. The letter R. The sound of letter R is R. R. Rat, wren, rice, rabbit. Letter S. The sound of letter S is S. S. Sun, star, snake, ship. Letter T. The sound of letter T is T. T. Tap, tie, table, tiger. Letter U. The sound of letter U is A. A. Un, umbrella, uncle, uniform. Letter V. The sound of letter V is when, vest, vase, violin. Letter W. The sound of letter W is wave, watch, wolf, well. Letter X. The sound of letter X is fox, box, ox, X-ray. Letter Y. The sound of letter Y is yak, yum, yo-yo, yellow. Letter Z. The sound of letter Z is zip, zebra, zoo, zero. Now that's all. If you like my video, please like and share. And if you want more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.